And the Book of Mormon, although written at a different time, the Lord in his wisdom saw fit to save that book of scripture specific for our day, unique to our day, and had it written and abridged in a way that was purposeful for use in our day. And he coupled that with a book of modern revelation. And that is the Doctrine and Covenants. And those two things together are the measuring stick, as you said, for those who are on the earth today. That is what we need to be professing to, those that have a lack of understanding in why do we put, our scripture, as they say, over the Bible. Well, because that's what the Lord has revealed, not just for us today, but for the world. That is the bar that all will be measured against who are on the earth today. And so that's why we study it, focus on it so intensely. And that's what we need to get other people to understand is this revelation is not to be wasted. It was not given and so much effort and energy put into it for fun. Like, it is purposeful, and it is the Lord's will that it is here, and all the world needs to be studying it and embracing it and utilizing it. And that's ultimately what we
I think it's fun.
Well, that's a good byproduct.
And it's not just, hey, new scripture, cool, like accept it. No, it's purposeful to bring people into the priesthood. It's purposeful to bring people into a united order. It's purposeful for people to learn how to live celestial laws and be ready to enter into a celestial society, right? You have to be prepared for what is it going to be like. You have to be prepared to live according to the standard of living that is there. Like, you have to understand what it's going to be like. So when you're there, you enjoy being there and you're comfortable there, right? There's all of this is wrapped into like the purpose, like why we have these signs of living priesthood, because it's not just light and knowledge. It's not just, hey, here's some more knowledge for you to read and, but it's to be part of the household of God. It's to be part of the covenant people, right? This is what Section 1 goes into. The arm of the Lord shall be revealed, and the day cometh that they who will not hear the voice of the Lord, neither the voice of his servants, neither give heed to the words of the prophets and apostles, shall be cut off from among the people, for they have strayed from mine ordinances, and have broken my everlasting covenant. They seek not the Lord to establish his righteousness, but every man walketh in his own way, after the image of his own God, whose image is in the likeness of the world. Babylon the Great, which shall fall. Right?
Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.